and welcome. It's a sunny, beautiful morning, and today's practice is about allowing yourself to surrender and relax. Well, with me, let's get started. Sitting comfortably in Sukhasana, close your eyes, relax the shoulders, relax your chest, allow your body to just feel at home, feel welcomed, enjoying the sounds of the ocean. Inhale, lift your shoulders all the way up as you hold the breath on the top. Hold, 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 hold. Stay there, don't let go, don't give up yet. And open your mouth inside out, release the shoulder. Lovely. Inhale, draw your shoulders up and hold. Hold it there. Hold, hold, hold. And open your mouth side out, release the shoulder. Lovely. Join your palms at heart center. And let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. Om. Have a beautiful, simple intention for the practice. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. I want you to start with a basic tapping practice. In this tapping practice, you will take two fingers and tap your collarbone. We'll just tap our collarbone and we'll have one mantra that we chant throughout it. Use all your fingers, all four fingers, and tap. Say, I am safe, I am healthy, and I love myself. I am safe, I am healthy, I love myself. I am safe, I am healthy, I love myself. I am safe, I am healthy, I am loved. Lovely. I am love, and everything that I'm surrounded with is full of love. Inviting the energy from the cosmos. Let's come into all fours. From here, we'll just go for simple cat and cow. Inhale, expand, arch your back. Exhale, contract, relax your back. Inhale, expand and arch your back. Exhale, contract and release. Inhale, expand. Exhale, release. Inhale, expand. Exhale, just stay here and walk your arms slightly ahead. Just stay there. Allow your shoulders to go slightly down. Step by step. Come on your elbows. Take your elbows more ahead and drop your forehead on the floor. Slowly come up on your stomach from here. Let me help you release the shoulder tension that you have. So take your right arm and place it 90 degree on the mat. It's going to shift a little bit, 90 degrees. So your shoulder, elbow and palm creating a 90 degree. Listen to the floor from the right here. And then take your left leg up, bend it and try to drop it behind your hips. Relax your left shoulder, relax your body and just stay there. Go as much as your body can take. The more you push the left hip behind, the more the stretch comes. So go casual. Give yourself the time. It's the start of the practice. No need to rush. Slowly bring the forehead down. We'll do the same thing on the other side. 90-degree with your left palm, elbow, and shoulder. Turn towards your left side. Take your right leg and drop it behind you. Relax your right palm. Relax all your toes. Everything else that is not in use. Your face muscles. Slowly come back. Come up on your elbow and just stay here. Relax your head. Push your elbows to lift your hips. Go back into downward facing dog. Open your knees. Make space for your chest and your face. Staying and breathing there. Slowly bringing the hips up, knees together, and turn around to lie down on your back. From here, slowly let your knees be bent. Let your hands be on your navel. And just allow your body to surrender here. Just being alive and present in wherever you are today, wherever you are right now. Embracing your present self. Bring both the knees to the chest. Give it a good, nice hug. Keep hugging the knees as you individually hold the knees apart towards your armpit. Each knees are going towards their individual armpit, and you just stay here. Shoulders relax. Face muscles completely relax. Slowly release. Take your hands behind your head Keep them comfortably on the floor. From here, we'll bring both the knees to the chest and just drop both the knees on the left side first. Look over the right side and just breathe. Bring the knees to the chest. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Bring the right knee, both the knees on the right side. Look over the left and breathe. Relax both the shoulders and elbows to the floor. Bring both the knees to the chest. Stay there with your arms getting relaxed next to your hips. Hug the knee from behind the knee, under the knee. And slowly lift up the head and take the knee away from you. Taking the knee away from you as much as you can. And stay. Slowly release. Take your both legs straight up. Hold it here. Slowly bring gentle shake in the legs. Shake, 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 shake. Now we go to happy baby. Turn out the leg, bend the knee. Take your arms from inside and grab the arch of your foot. Shoulders down, chest relax. Don't let the heel come towards each other. Slowly, heels together, knees together. And one last good hug. Spread your legs on the mat. Spread your palms on the mat. And just surrender. Inhale nicely as you stay here. As you exhale, imagine every tiredness and tension is melting into the floor. Inhale. Exhale, melt into the floor. Inhale. Exhale, melt entirely into the Mother Earth. Inhale, invite strength, courage, and love. Exhale, release tiredness, stress, and tension. One big inhalation, tighten every corner of your body as you inhale. Make a fist, tighten your shoulder, tighten your stomach, tighten your core, tighten your legs, tighten your face. Tighter, 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 and open your mouth and release everything. Thank you and have a lovely day ahead.